Hey guys, so this is not my usual unboxing or review video. This is really just an overview of this limited edition collectible item. This is the themed Nintendo Switch for the Let's Go Eevee, Let's Go Pikachu game. So I'm just going to show you exactly what part of the Nintendo Switch has been themed and should help you decide whether it's worth shelling out that extra money now that this particular unit is out of production, or maybe you want to just go for a cheaper option by adding some decals yourself. So starting off with the main unit itself, nothing really special on the front. On the back is where you see the extra customization. It has Pokeballs, Pikachus, and Eevees in various different stances and poses etched into the back as a little bit more of a glossy finish on top of the regular matte finish. So I like that it's not just painted on or something like that. The design is definitely really subtle. You can't really see it unless you look at it under the light. But I think they did a good job with this part of the design. They obviously didn't do anything with the kickstand though, which looks a little bit strange, but otherwise it's pretty good. Now let's take a look at the controllers that flank the main unit. So the left side is the lighter brown color for Eevee, and then the right side is the yellow color for Pikachu. And there are no extra designs on top of that, it's just a single solid color on each of the controllers. But to add a little bit more of a color combination, when you add on the straps for the controllers, you can see that they have their associated matchups. Even though they are reversible, you can wear either the white one or the brown one with either of the two colors, but the white one definitely does go with the Eevee color brown, and then the brown color goes with the Pikachu yellow, so it looks like the Pikachu stripes. The last hardware item that is customized is the docking station here, just the front as you can see. Left again is Eevee and then right is Pikachu, both of them lying down and looking cute. Unlike the design on the back of the main system, these are kind of just painted on. Don't get me wrong, they're definitely high quality paint. It's not like it's going to be scratched off really easily, but I kind of would have liked them to put a little bit more effort into this because it is after all an OEM customized unit. You could have easily have added a sticker yourself and it would have kind of gotten the same effect. You can tell that they took the regular produced Switch stock and just painted this on. I mean, it's pretty obvious. Not complaining too much though because it still is very cute and it does match pretty nicely when the unit is situated in the dock. Now, this special bundle doesn't just have special customizations hardware-wise, but it also comes with a Let's Go Eevee or Let's Go Pikachu downloadable code for the game. In this case, I got the Let's Go Pikachu bundle, so it comes with that game as a downloadable code. If you had gotten the Let's Go Eevee version, you just gotten that game instead. Otherwise, hardware-wise, it's exactly the same. However, the bonus item here is this little Pokeball. It's the Pokeball Plus. It's a vibration Bluetooth controller that costs $50 on its own, so when bundled, it's actually kind of a good deal. From a build quality standpoint, this is really well built. It's a good weight. It has a nice matte finish rubbery touch to it. It has the very responsive joystick in the middle of where the button would be, and it actually is a button if you press down on it. And there's another hidden second button at the top of the red portion of the Pokeball. It's kind of a back button. And you can use this not only with the Let's Go game, but with Pokemon Go on your smartphone. It's actually a pretty cool little device. It reminds me of my Pokewalker back in the day, which came bundled with the Pokemon Soul Silver or Heart Go versions for the DS. So there you have it guys, that's everything that was customized and included in the bundle of Let's Go Pikachu or Let's Go Eevee. Obviously anything I didn't show in this video was not customizable. That includes the wires, the cables, also the Joy-Con dock. So there you have it guys, hopefully this will help you decide if you still want to buy this bundle even though it has stopped production. Personally, I think when it just came out this was probably a pretty darn good deal, especially bundling the Pokeball Plus. But this time when scalpers are out there selling this thing for hundreds of dollars more than retail, I think you're better off buying a couple decal stickers to customize your own regular Switch and then maybe buy the Pokeball Plus separately if you really want that controller. If you are interested in buying the bundle completely or used or something like that, I will put the Amazon product link in the description for you guys to check out. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did, and make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already for more product videos like this.